Hello everyone, today we will start with the exercise 6.5. Already have written the question here. Read the question carefully. So it is given that the radius of a circle. So it is a problem based on a circle. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 cm per second. I mean, what is given here? The radius of a circle is increasing. This is the radius 3 cm per second. So it is with respect to time. Right, radius is rate of change of a radius of a circle with respect to time is given. So directly we can write this as dr by dt is equal to 3 cm per second. Right. Now what you have to find? Find the rate at which the area of the circle. You have to find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to the time t when the radius r is equal to 10 cm. Right. Okay, we'll start this one. First I'll write let R be the radius of a circle. Let R be the radius of a circle, or you can start with the area of a circle, no problem. Let R be the radius of circle. What is given? The rate of change of radius of a circle with respect to time. Second is there, so with respect to time, so it is given that dr divided by dt is equal to 3 cm per second. So this is given. Now what you have to find? Rate of change of a area of a circle with respect to time. For that we need to write the area of a circle. The area of a circle, the area of a circle with radius r, with radius r is given by a is equal to pi r square. Right, a is equal to pi r square. We need to find rate of change of a area of a circle with respect to the time t. So this is now dA by dt is equal to d by dt of, substitute the value of a. What is a? It is pi r square. Pi r square. Now we are differentiating the function pi r square with respect to t. So this is pi is constant as it is, and r square. Derivative of r square will be 2r into derivative of r with respect to t. So this will be now dr by dt. Right. So this is equal to, so what is remaining? 2 pi r. What is the value of dr by dt? It is given that dr by dt is equal to 3. We will substitute this. So this is into 3. So this is equal to 6 pi r. But one more condition is given. You have to find this value when the value of x is equal to 10, right? Increasing when the radius is 10 cm. So finally, we'll substitute the value of r is equal to 10, right? When r is equal to 10, so this will be now dA by dt is equal to 2 pi, r is 10 into 3. Sorry, directly we can write this. So this is now 30 into 2 will be 60 pi, right? Don't forget to write the unit. What is the unit? Area will be centimeter square and time will be second. It is given in the form of second. So this is now centimeter square per second. So this is the rate of a change of a area of a circle with respect to time t when the value of r is equal to 10. Finally you have to write the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to t when r is equal to 10 is 60 pi centimeter square per second. See this simple problem. Find the rate of change of the area of a circle. So the problem is based on circle with respect to the radius. You are finding the rate of change of a area of a circle with respect to the radius, right? So when the value of r is equal to 3. First work is you have to write the what is the area of a circle. Let us consider the area of a circle. The area, compulsorily you have to write this, okay? The area of a circle with radius r, is given by a is equal to pi r square, right? Now what you have to find? Rate of change of a area of a circle with respect to radius. I mean we need to find rate of change of a area of a circle with respect to the radius. So that is dr. Is it clear? dA by dr we need to find. So this is equal to d by dr of pi r square. Now we'll differentiate this function with respect to r. Pi is constant as it is. Derivative of r square will be 2 into r. Derivative of r with respect to r will be 1. So this is equal to 2 pi r. Is it clear? One more thing is given. The value of r is equal to 3. We'll substitute r is equal to 3. When the value of r is equal to 3, what is dA by dr? dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into r is 3. So this is equal to 6 pi. Finally, you have to write the unit. Area of a circle is given by centimeter square, right? Centimeter square per area of a, radius of a circle is given by centimeter. Area of a circle is centimeter square and radius of a circle is given by centimeter. So 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. So this is the answer for this given question. This problem, actually this is easy. So we'll solve together, okay? Take one pen and paper, solve along with me. Okay, we'll see the question. What is given? An edge of a variable cube. So edge of a variable cube is given. So it's a problem based on the cube is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. I mean the edge of a cube is increasing with respect to time per second is given, right? Edge of a cube is increasing with respect to time. Now what you have to find? How fast the volume of a cube. You have to find out how fast the volume of a cube is increasing with respect to the time when the value of edge is 10 cm. Right? For that we need the edge. First we will consider the edge. Let x be the, okay? Let x be the edge of a cube. Let x be the edge of a cube. Now what we need? Volume, right? We'll write let volume V be the, let V be the volume of a cube, volume of a cube. Then what is the value of V? X is the edge, so V will be, volume is x cube, right? Volume of a cube is given by V is equal to x cube. Now what is given? An edge, that is edge means x, right? We have considered the edge as x. The edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. I mean it is given that the edge, that is x, is increasing with respect to the time t. So given, is it clear? So dx by dt. I hope you are getting this one. Edge is increasing with respect to time. So dx by dt is equal to 3 cm per second. Now what we have to find? Volume of a cube with respect to time. So we need to find dV by dt. Is it clear? So dV by dt. So this is equal to d by dt of volume of a cube is given by x cube. We'll substitute here x cube. Now you have to differentiate x cube with respect to t. So derivative of x cube will be 3x square. But remember, you are differentiating the function x with respect to t. So derivative of x with respect to t will be dx by dt. Is it clear? Now we will substitute the value of dx by dt. So by this we got dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt is also 3. So we will substitute this. So 3 into, so this is equal to 9x square. Now you have to find when the edge of a cube is equal to 10. That is when x is equal to 10. What will be the value? So dv by dt is equal to 9 into 10 square. So 10 square will be 100. 100 into 9 will be 900. Finally, you have to write the unit. What is the unit for volume? It will be centimeter cube because it's in the form of centimeter, right? So volume unit will be centimeter cube per time with respect, that is in the second. So 9 centimeter cube per second. So finally you have to write the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second when the x is equal to 10. See this question. First we will read it. See what is given. A balloon which is always spherical on inflation. the balloon is given which is in the spherical shape. This is a problem based on the sphere, right? First you understand that balloon is in the spherical shape. Now is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of a gas per second. So now what is given? The balloon is filled with gas, right? So it is given that with respect to the second is given. Obviously, rate of change of a volume of a sphere with respect to the time is given, right? Volume is changing with respect to the time. And what you have to find? Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon. You need to find the radius of a balloon with respect to the time t at the rate of, if it is a value of r is equal to 15. Is it clear? I hope you understood this question. Now we'll start. What you have to write? First, you have to write the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere. What is the volume of a sphere? I hope you remember this one. Volume of a sphere with radius r. That is also important. You have to write with radius r. Okay, the volume of a sphere with radius r is given by V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is given? As I told you, rate of change of a volume of a sphere with respect to the time is given. So it is given that what is given? dV by dt is equal to 900 cubic centimeter, that is centimeter cube per second. Cubic is this, so obviously it will be a volume per second. So now this is given. Now what you have to find? Rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time. So we need to find dr by dt, right? We have to find the value of dr by dt. Rate of change of the radius of a sphere with respect to time we have to find. Here we have dv by dt is equal to 900. First let us consider that 900 is equal to dv by dt. Okay, now we will substitute the value of v. What is v? d by dt into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it clear? Just we substitute the value of v. Now we will differentiate this with respect to t. So this will be now 4 by 3 pi will be a constant. Derivative of r cube will be 3 r square, right? And derivative of r with respect to t will be now dr by dt. Is it clear? So here we got 900 is equal to, you are not supposed to differentiate this one, okay, because dv by dt is given. So only you differentiate the right hand side. So now by this we need the value of dr by dt. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, right? So dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by 4 pi r square. Is it clear? dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by 4 pi and r square. And what is given? You have to find when the value of r, radius r is equal to 50. So when r is equal to 50, what happens here? So this is now 900 divided by 4 pi r square, that is 15 square will be 225. So this is equal to dr by dt. So here 225 into 4 will be equal to 900. So both will get cancelled. Is it clear? So by this we got dr by dt is equal to 1 by pi. So this is the rate of the change of a radius of a sphere with respect to the time t when the value of r is equal to 50. Finally you have to write the unit radius with respect to time. So unit for radius will be centimeter, right? It is given in the form of centimeter. So radius will be centimeter per second. So 1 by pi centimeter per second. So finally you have to write the rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time t is 1 by pi centimeter per second when the value of r is equal to 50. It is simple, but we'll solve together. Okay, take one pen and paper and try to solve this. What is given? A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. So balloon is given, it is in the spherical shape. Obviously this problem is based on the sphere. Now next what is given? Find the, you have to find rate at which its volume is increases. You have to find the rate of change of volume is increasing with respect to radius. Rate of change of a volume with respect to r you have to find when the value of r is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Is it is? First we'll write the volume of a cube. What is the volume of a cube? The volume of a cube with radius r, okay, with radius r, compulsorily you have to write this, radius r is given by v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what do you have to find? Volume, rate of change of a volume with respect to radius. So we need to find dr by dt. Sorry, you have to find, what you have to find? Volume with respect to radius. So this is d by v, rate of change of a volume with respect to the radius, dv by dr. Is it clear? Rate of change of volume with respect to the radius is equal to d by dr of, what is the volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this is equal to, differentiate with respect to r. So this is 4 by 3 into pi is constant and derivative of r cube will be 3 r square, and you are differentiating with respect to r, so the derivative of r will be 1. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, so this is equal to 4 pi r square, right? 4 pi r square. Now you have to write the unit volume with respect to radius. So unit for volume will be centimeter cube per radius will be in the form of centimeter, right? Centimeter cube per centimeter. One more thing is given, when the value of r is equal to 10. We'll substitute when r is equal to 10. What is the value? dv by dr is equal to 4 pi into r square. R is 10, so this is 100. So this is equal to 100 into 4 will be 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. So this is the answer. Finally, you have to write. Therefore, the rate of change of volume with respect to r is 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter when the value of r is